In this video, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process on how to create high-converting ads using AI in less than 10 minutes. First, I want you to understand there's multiple LLMs out there. We can be using ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Gemini, and many more. But in our case here, after battle testing all of these softwares, I found that Gemini Nano Banano is the best software out there for creating the highest converting ads. I want you first to just open Google Gemini and make sure that you're hitting the tool which is create image. This means that we're creating an image and we're using Nano Banano. Next, here we want to do the research. Obviously, if we're running ads for Facebook Meta, we go on the Facebook ad library, just write Facebook ad library. And since we want to find an inspiration, in our case here, I'm gonna act like I'm a sales coach in the high ticket space. And someone that I really like in terms of design, in terms of branding, is called Shelby Sapp. So we'll be using her design and creating a male figure design out of it. And after choosing your inspiration, I just want you to start scrolling down and figure which static image would suit best what you're doing. So obviously here, I don't like this one. It's too complicated in terms of text, but what I like is this one and this one. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose this one. You just go and always make sure that at least the ads has been running for more than 2 to 3 months. As you can see here, we can see that this has been up from July, okay? Because this means that the creator or the person is spending money on this creative, and this is a winning ad. I just copy it, copy the image, go paste it. So now we have our reference, okay? The second step would obviously go and choose our face. We just got a photo of ourselves. I'm just going to crop this because I only want to use this section. And now the second step, after we've done our research, we got our inspiration, we just want to start doing the prompting. In terms of prompting, it's very simple. You just talk to the AI as follow. You are my designer for Facebook ads, and I want you to replicate the exact same design as the reference in terms of graphics and background. Let's hit it. Obviously, now it's loading, but you need to understand that not every single time it's gonna get the best results from the first run. Nice. Now we got our first prompt, which is great. Like it filled the bottom half. This is not like very good in terms of like having my face, but it's like 90% what I was looking for, to be honest. Now, obviously, this is the colors of like to attract women. We want to change it. So replace the colors from gradient blue, gradient light blue to, for example, let's say, nice. I like this much, much better, but I think we still have to add like some black into it. So nice, this is much more better. You have the sales and the gradient, and then like it's much more different because ultimately we don't want to have the same exact thing. We don't want to be copycats. We're just trying to take inspiration and then create our own version. So obviously here I would want to have the person even a bit more bigger, but that's fine. Now we want to change the text. So if you want to change the text, tell it like change or replace the text Shelby Sapp to Oliver Ibrahim. And let's say we want to do like another, like this is the third step, which we like the second one would be to have the prompting. We got the colors, we got the structure. Now we want just to change the text to Oliver's step into high ticket 9 to 5. This is nice. We're not going to go 9 to 5. And let's say here she's running a webinar. We can just keep it right now just for the sake of this video. And we just hit it. Nice. And as easy as this, we now have our first converting ad. I know here we might have like the podcast mic. It's like floating in the air, but that's fine, honestly. You can change it, but honestly, I like it. And as easy as this, you can create multiple variations as well. So now we can use this one. We can use the orange one. So you got the point. Now I'm going to choose another creative, which is I like a lot. It's gonna be this one. Just copy it, copy the image, put it here, choose face again. And preferably don't use a photo of yourself where you have a mic in front of your a mic. Like just try to use a clean image. Now all we have to do is like just copy this, the prompt, paste it, and see what it's going to spin. Okay, nice. I like this one as well. It's super cool. You can use, like, for example, here we noticed that my face is very black, so we can use that. Elevate the person's face, make it more lit, and that would be it. Honestly, this would literally be the second ad that I would want to use. So that being said, now I'm going to jump to the third ad. See the summary, save image as, just copy it, copy the image, create it, use my face again, take a screenshot, and all we have to do is to copy and paste the prompt and see how it goes. Nice, I like it a lot. Even though it changed a bit the features of my face, that's fine. You can like change it again. And for this video, honestly, I would run it the same. All I have to do is just to change the purple to another color because those are not my branding. But honestly, if I was in the high ticket space, I would definitely run these creatives.